Giving Back, sponsored by Patterson Legal Group.
We're excited to partner with Patterson Legal Group in our latest edition of Giving Back, where local nonprofits are recognized for the great work they're doing to make our communities better places to live. Patterson Legal Group recognizes a new nonprofit and presents them with a $500 check. This week, we're proud to spotlight CareArc. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Tyler Patterson, here with Renee and Christina of CareArc. Tell us a little bit about the group, Renee.
CareArc is a federally qualified health center, and we are really kind of one of our best-kept secrets. We're a community health center that serves anyone, either if you're underinsured or underserved. We're here to serve anyone, even if you have insurance.
Well, access to care is so important. We're excited to give you a check today for $500.
Thank you. We're so excited.
And joining us now is Amanda Drescher with CareArc. Good morning.
Good morning.
Great to have you on the show. And so I want to start out, introduce us to CareArc. A little history of the organization.
CareArc is a federally qualified health center. We were started in November of 1997 out of the Lyon County Health Department in Emporia, Kansas. And we became CareArc, and it's an organization that is helping folks get medical care.
Okay, so yeah, let's get into that. Like the kind of the services, like how does that look in today's community?
So the services that we offer, we have behavioral health, we have a medical clinic, and we have a dental facility.
Oh.
Our dental facility is 18 chairs, so we have 3 dentists that work there and 4 dental hygienists. In our medical clinic, we have 4 nurse practitioners, and in our behavioral health, we are doing contract services, but we did hire a mental health nurse practitioner, and she'll be starting here in May. We're really excited.
Wow, that's wonderful. It's great to hear expansions and growing like this. That's fantastic. So you have so many different kind of branches of this organization going on. How is the donation for Patterson Legal Group kind of able to help your guys' mission out?
So with the donation, we are going to turn that back right to our patients. So some of the ideas that have come up are maybe doing some gift cards for people completing health reminders, or doing some help with medications. Okay, great.
That's wonderful how you're able to help the community like that. And so for the people out there that are listening, especially like in the Emporia area, what do people need to know to get some assistance for the CareArc?
So for CareArc, we're open to anybody. Anybody can come in, whether you have insurance, whether you don't have insurance. We do have a sliding fee scale. So if you bring in your proof of income, it's based on the proof of income for the household and the number of household members. We can see if you qualify for a sliding fee scale. That's whether you have insurance or not, you can go for that slide. Once you do that, it works in all of our areas. So
okay, that's great.
we also have a 340B drug program that helps people with medications to help them be more cost effective, especially for those without insurance.
Wonderful, yes. Prescription drugs is never a fun thing to talk about. You said proof of employment. I'm curious, what does that look like for people? Because I know paperwork's always kind of crazy, and then someone brings in maybe the wrong thing.
Right. We have a list on our website,
okay,
what
great.
you need to bring in. So you can go to carearc.org and look that up. But paycheck stubs for everybody in your household. You can bring in tax returns. You can bring in, if you receive assistance, you can bring in those assistance letters as well.
Great. All right. I love that there's a list put together available that people can check out, because I know I've been in the same situation where I think I'm ready to go and then like, oh no, I didn't get the right thing. So it's great that we're ready for that. And what's it mean for you to kind of be a part of CareArc?
I've been a part of CareArc for over 24 years.
Wow.
It's really been a mission. We really care about our patients. We want to make sure that they live healthy lives and that they can afford the things that they need in order to do so.
And so 24 years now, can you speak on like the impact you've seen CareArc have on the community?
Yeah, we help a lot of patients with their care. Our 340B program, we work daily to try and get medications cheaper so that patients can afford them. We work with them. We have a navigator that helps people sign up for insurance that can. So we have a lot of different programs that really help our community.
That's wonderful. And how far-reaching is CareArc? Who can use your guys' services?
So anybody can utilize our services.
Okay.
It doesn't matter where you're from. You can come in to utilize the services. Our catchment area is a five county area. And so it's just the 5 surrounding counties around us. So,
okay, great.
But we can see anybody. If somebody comes from Kansas City, and we've had that happen, we can see them.
That's fantastic. I love that you don't turn anybody away. Because I think we've talked about, it's so vital to have these kind of services available to us. That it's wonderful what you guys are doing to providing everything like this. And how can other people help your guys' mission now? Like, are you guys looking for, donations, or I know some organizations look for volunteers. I don't know what you guys are looking for.
So as far as donations, we do have on our website, CareArc.org, there's a donate button that you can choose on there if you choose to donate. We're always open to accepting donations. As far as volunteer services, that's more complicated.
Yes, I can imagine.
In a medical facility or a health facility. So they would contact our Human Resources Department if they would like to volunteer.
Wonderful. Well, again, it's great what you guys are doing for the community. I absolutely love being able to offer these services, because it's such a daunting, anything medical is so daunting, especially to myself and a lot of people I know around the area. So it's great that you're able to just do what you can to help everybody out.
Yes.
I love it. Well, Amanda, thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's been a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you.
And once again, thank you for what you're doing in the community. And everyone, please learn more. You can visit CareArc.org.
Giving Back, sponsored by Patterson Legal Group.